In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install Apple Music on the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. So the first step is to open the Play Store and then utilize the search bar and type in Apple Music. And then look for it. In the results, tap on Apple Music and then select Install. Wait for it to be installed. And then from here, you can launch Apple Music from the Play Store, or you can go back to the apps screen and then select Apple Music. Then you'll need to agree and read through the license agreement. And once you've read, tap on agree and then continue. Next, sign in and you'll need to use your Apple ID and password. Once you've signed in, you can now browse freely through Apple Music, listen to podcasts, music, albums, whatever it is you wish. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.